Hi guys, this is Dudefitzz. Keep grinding.
Today we are gonna do shoulders and legs as of day 3. This is today's workout schedule. Come on, let's see how it's done. Before you start shoulder workout, stretch your shoulders as shown using resistance band. So let's begin with banded shoulder press. Get into the stance with chest out, back straight and start pushing the bands up as shown with arms shoulder width apart. This workout mainly focuses on all the 3 parts of deltoid muscle. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Second workout is lateral raises. Using lighter bands or any available weights, raise your hand laterally with elbows little bent to avoid involvement of traps. This workout mainly focuses on middle part of the delts. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Third workout is pike push-ups. First, get into the position shown with hands shoulder width apart and hips raised leading to down V shape. Look downwards and start pushing. Make sure your back is straight all the way. This workout mainly focuses on deltoids, upper back, chest and triceps. Do it for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 30 seconds. Fourth workout is banded upright row. Get into your stance with chest out and back straight. Pull the bands from the below to the point almost touching your chin. Banded variation of this workout is considered safer than using barbell as it doesn't cause any rotator cuff problems. This workout mainly focuses on anterior deltoids. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Fifth workout is face pulls. Fix the knot over the door and get into your stance with chest out, back straight and knees little bent. Now lean little backwards and pull the band to the forehead. Make sure your arms are almost perpendicular to your body. This workout mainly focuses on posterior delts and upper back. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Sixth workout is free squats. Put your legs wide and back straight and do sit-ups as shown. Make sure you go to the full range depth. This workout mainly focuses on quadriceps, hamstrings and glutes. Do 3 sets of 20 repetitions. Seventh workout is banded squats. This is banded variation of free squats for increasing the workout intensity. Do this as shown. Go fuller range. This workout focuses on quadriceps, hamstrings and glutes. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Eighth workout is alternate lunges and squats. This workout includes lunges and squats. To perform a lunge, stretch one leg forwards with bent knee and one leg backwards. Perform this workout as shown. This workout mainly focuses on quads, hamstrings and glutes. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. Ninth workout is hops. Stand straight and start hopping on the same point using only toes. This workout mainly focuses on calves. Do this continuously for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute. 10th workout is banded split squats. This is banded variation of stationary lunges. Using a band, perform the workout as shown and focus mainly on the technique. This workout mainly focuses on quadriceps, hamstrings and glutes. Do this for 1 minute followed by a break of 30 seconds and a second set of 1 minute.
Stay tuned, stay motivated.